Yesterday it was nothing but gorgeous views, pretty much from the tower all the way to the shelter, and it's kept it up this morning. I don't know how I'm gonna make it to Maine if I keep having to stop for all the views. I slept great last night. Somehow I knew I would. I don't know. Just the tents were kind of far apart. I don't know. It wasn't even that good of a pitch because there was like no flat spots, but it was a good, much needed night of good sleep. I had tons of good rest at the shelter the night before, but I think subconsciously I was trying to like not sleep too hard because I snore, allegedly. But also we were like packed in like sardines, so like every single time someone moved or breathed, it was just kind of hard to sleep. So last night, got a great night of sleep. Going to the NOC first, NOC. I don't even think I want to try to pronounce Not Tahala, maybe? Outdoor Center. Not sure what my plans are there. Might just kind of pop in and might print my Smokies permit. I don't know. Might eat there, but might not. I mean, I've got plenty of food to my next resupply, so we'll see. And there's more over here. On the map, it looked like it was just straight downhill from the shelter, but when you zoom in, there was a bunch of little up and downs. I felt them, but this is really pretty. I had my trekking poles all the way extended, but that last little step right there, yeah, made my foot wobble right there. So hopefully it was nothing and I'll be fine. I do have to watch my steps, but this is, oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this descent has been a little nasty and it looks like it's going to continue to be, but views are out of this world. When I get to a place like this, it's like, I don't want to leave. Just have to trust that there's more amazing views like this ahead. Okay, so I tried to go up. It looked like a bunch of people went up over there, and I slid. So I did it. I climbed over. Woo! I can do anything now. Civilization. I hear music. I smell food. Made it to the NOC. That last mile felt like forever. Not that it was hard, but just because you could see it. And it was like, when am I gonna get there? All right, don't know what my plan is exactly. Lots to check out, definitely food. I really don't know how, with all the research I did, I didn't realize that the NOC was so big, like that there had so many things. Restaurant, general store, an outfitter. I think I'm going down to this other food place. That is cool. That is the course for canoe slalom. That would be awesome to watch. This could be dangerous. I might not want to leave. Stayed way too long at the NOC. 3.5 hours. Had lunch. Bought some stuff. I got some KT tape for my Achilles. That was good. It feels better. Charged all my stuff. I did try to upload a YouTube video for y'all. Sorry. It didn't load and I finally had to leave. So from here, major uphills. The original plan was get to Sassafras Shelter that's like 7 miles from here. There's no way that's happening. So I'm gonna have to find a stealth campsite somewhere before then. Kinda wish I would have planned it differently and planned to do some whitewater rafting or something when I was here, but maybe another time. So this is the second time that I've stopped for lunch in a town that wasn't really a town, but you know what I mean, while still hiking, not taking a zero. I don't think they set well with me. The last time I did it was in Clayton, and I just felt tanked afterwards, and I feel absolutely tanked right now. I don't know. It's like the little break is worse for me. Originally, I had planned to just stop in to the NOC, print my Smokies permit, and go. And I really am regretting not doing that. I made it to a little stealth campsite that 2 other tents are already there, and I'm basically putting my tent right by where the fire pit is, but there's no other place to put it, and I am so tanked. So it is what it is. I'm getting water. I'm probably going to get my tent and go to bed. It's only 5:30. Oh no, I need to hang a bear bag, and then probably and eat dinner. Brains. Ugh. Definitely the consensus is stopping in town for, I don't think it's good for me. I don't know. Might be unavoidable at some times. I'm gonna have to charge my phone or something, but I don't know. I feel like if I would have just kept on the trail, I would have been fine. Although the terrain today was super tough. The descent down into the NOC, holy cow. I obviously didn't film them all. We had 5 maybe bad blowdowns, where we had to take our pack off and didn't know if I could get over. They were bad. It was super steep. So I was starting this morning thinking that the hike down to the NOC was going to be easy. It was not. And then since then, it's just been steady uphill. So I don't know. That could be contributing. But either way, gonna get settled. Obviously have to adjust my mileage now for the next few days, but I don't care. I couldn't have went another, I don't know, the shelter was like another something, 4 miles. There's no way, with really bad incline. That'll be tomorrow.